We have seen with our clients that metadata management is a key role and plays a key role in managing the assets along the broadcast chain, especially when it comes to VOD playout, nonlinear playout. In this area, we have improved our products, Media Center and our logger application around various areas. We've launched a brand new application, which is the Event Logger, which is focusing on efficient and fast logging in the sports area. This is a web-based application, as the rest of VPMS is as well. We have an area where the user defines keywords, which are then keyword tags here, which can be tagged very efficiently and fast in various log modes, which can come up in a timeline and in a log sheet view here. All this works in the web browser with keyboard shortcuts, so it's very fast, very efficient, and supports the live environments in the very fast-turning sports environment. Another area where we are focusing are cloud-based services. We are allowing our clients to consume cloud services, for example, web-based storages, cloud-based storages. We're supporting all major vendors here, that's Amazon, S3, Azure, of course, Oracle. But also we have launched an SaaS business model as an enhancement to our VPMS MAM system, which is new and cloud-based, our review and approval tool. This is a tool actually which lives on the iPad and allows our users to consume content outside VPMS on the iPad, to share content with third-party users who do not have direct integration to VPMS and do not have direct access to VPMS. It allows the users to browse the content and to make comments on the content. So you can draw in that tool, you can add text, and all the information you enter in that tool goes back to the VPMS media asset management system, so that also internal users can make use of that content. And that's an extension we've built for that product, workflows can be triggered from within that tool. For example, around approval workflows, final approval can be done directly by setting tags in that tool, which goes directly to VPMS and triggers workflow on the VPMS MAM side. The third area where we have made improvements to the already known product line Editmate is the PAM area, so the production asset management area. Editmate is now also available as a standalone application, so it's no longer needed to have VPMS as a MAM system running in the background. On this IBC we are showing new features around project parking. So now with the centralized project management in Editmate, we can also now export projects to archive storages, to move them away from the content storage, from the online storage, and restore if they are later needed. Just with a single click of a mouse, it's not needed to take care about individual assets, it's all automatic with a single click. The other area where we actually launched a new product within the Editmate product line is Editmate Proxy. We are now supporting proxy streaming low-res editing in Premiere without the need to have a high-res traveling over low bandwidth connections. So for journalists' workflows, where journalists are editing with Premiere in the field, they don't need to have a high-res traveling via the low bandwidth connection. They work with the proxy file, the low-res file, which is already there. It's supported by VPMS via our streaming server, and the rendering of the sequence is done on the server side in high-res. The users can seamlessly travel and change between the low-res workflow and the high-res workflow, so they can do their low-res editing in the field, and then later on, when they're back in the office, do the high-res workflow based on the high-res material and work there, and continue their work there.